Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another Animal Company video. And today we're in this new Animal Company update. And I just realized I said video instead of video. But we're in the new Animal Company update. And we're gonna check it out. Okay? And whoever is watching this, you better stay subscribed. Okay?
Can somebody get me up?
I will find you if you don't. Nah, I'm joking. Well, I'm gonna go in public lobby though. Just because, like.
How did he not die?
I know, how did he not die, bro?
And he's not invincible because he has 1,000 health.
Bro, why is everybody?
I know, bro, right? That's what I'm saying, right?
Guys, excuse. I'm pretty sure RPGs only do that 500.
Oh, sorry guys, but I was listening to Low
RPGs
Loaded.
only do 500. Guys, don't level up.
RIP Low Loaded though. Shout out to Low Loaded too.
To channel 2.
Bro, why?
Don't go to channel 2. He's just being mean.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, why you killed him? He didn't do anything, bro.
How do you get the tail?
Dang, you just got 200 pumps, bro.
Guys, I'm gonna put that in the bush. I'm gonna put the big flashlight in the bush and then.
Guys, make sure the fire doesn't go out.
No, save the wood! Bro! Oh, save the wood!
No, be quiet, bro.
No, I'm gonna kill you, little boy!
No, be quiet. No one cares. Okay?
No, I kill you, boy. Come here, bitch!
Oh, he just said a bad word. Everyone, I actually have his account on the screen. I was also making a YouTube video. So, the guy who called me the B word, I was making a YouTube video. So, you're...
I don't care, bro!
Oh, yeah? Well, I actually have 1 million subscribers, and they will find you.
Oh, who cares about 1 million subscribers, bro?
Nah, you know why? Because I actually got your location.
No, you don't. I actually don't.
Yeah, you
Dude,
do.
where do I live then?
You live in, Ohio.
Nah, bro, nah, I do not live in Ohio.
Yeah, you do. Bro. Why was he so mad, bro? Well.
Quiet. No talking.
No, you be quiet. Oh no.
What's that doing? Oh,
Guys, it's the tickle monster.
no. Yes. No, yes. I don't know. Quiet. No. I'm scared. Night is coming. Night is approaching. I am.
Guys, we're actually in 99 Nights in a Forest. You know that, right?
Yes. Good. Yes.
Oh no, the OG boy is after us.
Where's he?
Hell no.
Oh no, it's the big, scary, stupid man. Get over here. Timothy.
Wants to play 99 Nights in the Forest.
It's the OG boy.
Dang, bro, that fire's massive. Like the low. No, I'm joking. Yo, make the fire as big as you possibly can.
Why did I think he was scared?
Dude, we got the ogre monster. I mean, not the. Okay,
Yo,
bro.
Bo, get away.
I'm actually stupid. Someone click that.
Open it.
But we got the Armstrong.
I'm scared.
Yeah, you're getting burned. Yeah, get burned. No, where did my grappler go? No, my grappler! Bro,
Can somebody revive me?
No, my
I
grappler!
kill this thing.
I'm not reviving you because my grappler, bro.
stupid grappler.
No, you be quiet,
show you who-
okay? Hey,
I
no,
want to show you who's boss.
hey, that's not very nice of you to shoot me in the head.
No.
Oh, yes,
I was just blind.
because you didn't turn to
Hey
revive.
guys, do we have to see the kids from 99 Nights in Forest? If you
Yeah,
want to play
well,
99 Nights in
bro. Well. Okay, how am I not dead yet? Dude, the ogre's right there? Just... Haha, I just ate a turkey.
Die.
I just ate a turkey, haha.
Die.
Haha.
Well, I got an RPG.
Stupid. Can you?
Yo, everybody go.
Why are you so mad, bro?
It is not.
Have an RPG so we're safe from any creature, even though the massive creature that's like 100 foot tall only takes.
You're actually
I killed
not
the
in
massive
behind.
monster.
There was a person.
I know it only takes 2 hits from a crowbar to kill it. And why is the other server on?
Don't make
Someone
this game
needs
fun.
1 hit and now in this server he just
Guys, is it so
so
bad?
mad, bro.
I just hit the Juki Wookie.
Die.
No, let's go. We got 2.
Go to Armstrong and go to Armstrong and just die. Just die.
Just die.
Look at this kid. Lead him to Armstrong.
Execute him.
Bro, he's so mad. Okay, but... Hey, also someone click that. Scary baboon! Damn it, bro, I missed it. Shoot, stupid ogre dude. Someone help! 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 He's killing me. He murdered me.
I just got killed. Can somebody revive me, please? Revive me, please.
He murdered me, guys.
I need help.
Woo.
Revive me.
Hi!
You
Stupid pogo stick and just
No,
leave.
be quiet, bro. No one cares.
No one cares about your life.
I was not talking to you, bro. I was talking to myself.
There's piles of wood everywhere.
Or 99 forest.
No, that's mine, dum-dum. I hate you. It's mine, bro. It's mine. Took my item, bro. Bro, you took my item, so now you're bullying me. I just went flying. Well, bro. Oh my goodness.
Kill him, big guy. Big guy, kill him.
Guys, I like eating watermelon.
Now, people should, like, you should be banned.
Why should I be banned? I just like eating watermelon.
I said because you didn't revive any.
Oh, well, that's not very nice of you.
Every ghost you see, you don't revive. I'm just
Oh yeah, he kind of helped me, bro. What is up, YouTube? In the days of it now.
Why is he green? Everybody! Kill him! He's the easiest monster to kill in the game. Who?
these monsters a kill.
Haha.
Thank you.
Can he even kill you?
Haha.
What's so bad about dying?
Bro, he can't shoot at all. Oh, yo, they actually made it the original chicken. Ah! Stop me! Stop me! Stop me! Okay, guys, let's see the video.